Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up ChatGPT with Siri on the latest version on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, in order to get this feature, you do need a compatible iPhone, which is going to be any of the new iPhone 16 and the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. Any other device will not be compatible. The next thing you need to do is in your settings, go to General, Software Update, and make sure you're updated to iOS 18.2 or newer. So those are going to be two requirements: having a compatible device with iOS 18.2. Once you have that, you're going to go into the main settings here, scroll down to Apple Intelligent, scroll down where it says extension. It's going to say ChatGPT. You want to tap on that. From there on, you'll see a new option that says Set Up ChatGPT. If you want to use that, simply click on Setup. And then it gives you an idea what ChatGPT can do with your iPhone, Siri, and Apple Intelligence. You can see all of those features that are available. Now, account is optional. You don't need a subscription, but you can use that if you want to go over the limited feature. So you'll hit next here. And then as you can see here, as I mentioned, you can enable it or enable it with the account. So I'm just going to tap on enable, and that's all I need. And ensuring that toggle is turned on, and I now have basically set up ChatGPT with Siri on my iPhone, and I can sign into an account if I want to. If I want to go over the limit, that's going to be where the advanced features are. And this feature basically tells you that if you want ChatGPT requests, basically you can confirm before sending anything over, which is, I think, a good feature to have turned on. But that's how you can go ahead and set up and enable ChatGPT on your iPhone with Siri. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.